girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar and to Eminem, Never Enough. So this one is the third track from the Encore album. A cool song, and you have one thing that goes round and round through the entire song. One chord based upon one chord only. I have the capo here on the 6th fret because I think that helps a lot. And with that, you will have the A minor, all right? If you choose to have it without a capo, it will be like this. And you need to put a bar there for yourself with your finger, and that will give you the D sharp chord. So bar on the 6th fret like this. I can give you this chord, so that will be 6th fret barred from the A string and down, so that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 8 here on the D string, 8 on the G, and 7th on B. All right, so that is the chord you use for the song if you choose to go without capo. I will put a capo here, and that will be much easier. So capo on 6, and that will give you A minor. So that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so that's the only chord you need. Now we have a melody that goes in the song. And the melody goes on the 2nd fret G string to start with, 2 times. Then 1st fret B string 2 times. Then 3rd fret B string 2 times. And back to 1st fret B string 2 times. And that is one round. But you will not play just that. You will have a combination here, a pattern, and that pattern will be the bass. And what I mean by that, you will hit the A and D string or so from the A minor chord, so like that, 1 time. And then you hit the note, in this case the 2nd fret G string to begin with, and then you hit a clap. And you hit the note, in this case again 2nd fret G string. Right? So that will be the pattern. So again, down, note, clap, note. That will be the pattern. You play that, and then you play next round, which will be again down. The next note now, in this case, it will be the 1st fret B string, clap, and note. Then you play the next round, which will be again down, like this, and then the note here will be the 3rd fret B string, clap, 3, and again the final round here, down, note, which is the 1st fret B string, clap, and 1st fret B string. So the pattern for this one is basically down, note, clap, note. Okay? So the first round we had a note on the 2nd fret G. The second round we have the notes on the 1st fret B. Third round we have it on 3rd fret B. And on 4th round we have it back to 1st fret B. So it will basically be like this: bass, note, clap, note, bass, note, clap, note, bass, note, clap, note, bass, note, clap, note. And that is one round. So with that and more to it than just the bass here, bass string, you hit the bass strings from the chord, from the A minor. So that will be more meaty, so to speak. So and when you play the notes here, you can also incorporate the strings around. So for example, the 2nd fret G string, you can hit the D string as well from the A minor chord, and even the B string if you wish. Try to emphasize the actual notes, but you can also take some help from the strings around there. So like this. All right. So a couple of rounds of this will sound. So that's it pretty much. Eminem's Never Enough. And I hope you feel the same when it comes to tutorials here on Gordon Guitar. Never enough. So hope to see you soon, guys. Hope this helped, and play tuned.